I think India's go as the favorites. Yeah, matlab, there's a lot of panic in the Aussie ranks as the Sunil Gavaskar sir rightly said. Hazelwood का तो वो कह रहे हैं यहाँ तक कि शायद पता नहीं ड्रॉप हुए हैं या इंजर्ड है. मतलब he's put a whole question mark around the whole thing. Because
Yes,
he's
that's
saying that Hazelwood I think उन्होंने batters को criticize किया था ना, saying that now it's over to the batters on after day 3 or something. So he's saying this clearly panic in the Aussie ranks. So like that, but that obviously I think is not a fair theory. I mean, Hazelwood would have been a complete, as I was saying yesterday, it would have been a huge challenge on this pitch. Last time मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा था कौन सी बॉल उनकी बैट्समैन खेलना चाहते हैं और कौन सी नहीं खेल सकते, because he was just pitching it in that corridor of uncertainty all the time, and the batsman
and
kept nicking.
Hazelwood, yeah, and Hazelwood is such a remarkable bowler कि अगर वो fit हैं तो वो खेलेंगे ही खेलेंगे. I still don't think
100%, 100%.
there have been news stories. There have been news stories where where people have discussed in terms of how there might be rift in the Australian dressing room. But मुझे नहीं लगता है ऐसा कि कोई भी आप एक stray comment उठा लोगे और वो एक rift पड़ जाएगा Australian dressing room में. With all due respect, I think this was good old SMG being a bit naughty on he was signing with the Indian team.
He was giving them a dose of their own medicine, Chetan. ये इनका मीडिया करता है हमारे साथ, हमारे
yeah,
एक प्लेयर का स्टेटमेंट लेके ट्विस्ट करते हैं, तो उन्होंने भी वही खेल खेला है उनके
exactly,
साथ में.
yes, exactly, and SMG, Sunil Gavaskar, he's always been a core Indian at heart, and of course he wears his heart on his sleeve, and he takes the side of the Indian team wherever he goes. So Australia mein to, he will obviously fire the big guns. So from that perspective, I think I still think there is an injury issue because Hazelwood is, forget everything else, forget any theories and comments and remarks. Hazelwood is too big a player or too big a bowler to miss out, especially with the pink ball test for just random statements, random comments.